To complete the third activity, we are identifying the number that comes one before the number spun. I'll go first as player 1. I spin 8 and I say the number before 8 is 7, and I locate that on the number line. Karis will place the block to check.
You're correct.
So I write 7 down as my score. Now it's Karis's turn as player 2.
The number before 9 is 8.
Great, and I will check. Correct. The winner is the player who has the least number, and that's me for this round. Now it's your turn.